if your dash cam could do more than just record. Introducing the AZDOME M550 Pro and Next Level. 4K dash cam with triple channel recording, GPS, and lightning-fast 5.8GHz Wi-Fi. 4K front camera, rear and interior coverage. Built-in GPS for route tracking. Powerful IR night vision see the road even in total darkness. With 24-hour parking monitor and G-sensor, your car stays protected even when you're not around. Engineered for reliability, built to last, and incredibly easy to install. No tech skills needed. This isn't just a good deal, it's a massive limited time discount. You won't believe the price drop. And yes, it even comes with a free 64G SD card to get you started right away. Ready to drive smarter and safer? Hit the link and grab yours before this deal disappears.